A mentor is someone who enables your personal development. A mentor is someone who helps to focus your efforts, set your goals, and give you timely feedback. A mentor has the ability to lead you in about every situation. And that pivotal moment of my life was when I joined AADME. Thank you, Alok sir and AADME, for making me believe that yes, I can do it. The activity, challenges, and assignment that I am going through here is giving me an immense knowledge. What AADME want from us is not just studies; they want us to excel in every possible way. A big credit to Alok sir and AADME for conducting a mindset session, which I think has impacted me tremendously. It's important to learn, grow, and innovate. You need to come out of that shell of yours and you need to come out of your comfort zone because you need to understand everything you do must excites you, and only then you can be successful in your life. So, once again, thank you, AADME and Alok sir, for making me realize my potential. Thank you. Happy learning.